We are making andouille sausage and leek stuffed chicken. First, get 3 vine-ripe tomatoes. Take the core out and dice them into large pieces. Take half a white onion and also dice them into large pieces. Take 1 andouille sausage and dice it. Then take 1 leek, then slice it into small pieces. Now take 1 chicken breast, butterfly it. Spread a plastic layer on top. Then beat it with a small mallet to flatten it out and set it aside for later. Get the pot hot to 60% heat. Pour in 1/4 a cup of pure canola oil in the pan. Put in a diced half white onion and cook it for 2 minutes. Add in diced tomatoes and saute for 45 seconds. Then pour 10 ounces of red wine vinegar. Next, add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Leave it at 60% heat for 15 to 18 minutes. Now we're going to prepare the stuffing. Get the pan hot to 70% heat. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of pure canola oil. Add in diced andouille sausage and cook it for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Next, add in the diced leeks. Cook it down until all the leeks are nice and soft, which will take about 1.5 minutes. Next, get an electric mixer and a bowl. Put in 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Then take the leek and andouille stuffing and mix it up. Now, we're going to stuff the chicken. Now take the flattened chicken breast out and take the plastic off. Next, add a pinch of kosher salt and a pinch of Creole seasoning. Now take the stuffing and line it inside. When you tuck it in, make sure there's a little space on the sides. When you do the first roll, take the extra space on the side and pull it in. After that, keep rolling it. Take some plastic wrap, put the chicken in the middle, bring one end of the plastic over the chicken, roll it all the way up, making sure the plastic is tucked under, then pinch the sides and roll it. Next, take the sides and tie it. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Now we're going to do the breading. Get all-purpose flour, egg wash, and panko breadcrumbs. Now unwrap the chicken and coat the outside with flour. Then coat it with egg wash. Then coat it in panko breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs stick together and it's evenly coated, and refrigerate it for 5 minutes. Now we're going to cook it. Get a pan hot to 65% heat. Pour in 1/4 a cup of pure canola oil and wait for 1.5 minutes for it to get hot. Now come in with the panko crusted chicken breast and put it in the middle of the pan. Keep turning it every 30 to 45 seconds until all the sides are brown. Finish it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Take the stuffed chicken and slice it. Now take some of the roasted tomato jam and spread it. Take the chicken and put it on top. Finish it with a little bit more of the roasted tomato jam and add fresh microgreens for garnish. And it is finished.